Welcome to this tutorial on Chocolatey integration with PowerShell. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Chocolatey Package Manager to install, update, and manage software on Windows systems using PowerShell commands. This powerful combination will help you automate software deployment and streamline your Windows environment management. Chocolatey is a package manager designed specifically for Windows. It automates the entire process of software installation, updates, and configuration through a command line interface. If you're familiar with apt on Ubuntu or yum on Red Hat Linux, Chocolatey works in a similar way but for Windows. Instead of manually downloading installers, clicking through setup wizards, and configuring software one by one, Chocolatey lets you do all of this with simple commands. To install Chocolatey, you need to run PowerShell as administrator. First, set the execution policy to bypass for the current process using set-execution policy bypass. Then configure the security protocol to use TLS 1.2. Finally, use the ex command, which is short for invoke-expression, to download and execute the Chocolatey installation script from the official community website. This script will automatically install Chocolatey on your system. After installation, it's important to verify that Chocolatey is working correctly. You can check the installed version by typing choco space -- version. To get more detailed information about your Chocolatey installation, use choco space info space Chocolatey. These commands will confirm that Chocolatey has been installed successfully and is ready to use. Installing software with Chocolatey is straightforward. To install a single package like Google Chrome, type choco space install space Google Chrome space -- while the -y flag automatically confirms all prompts. You can also install multiple packages at once by listing them separated by spaces, like vscode space git space notage. If you need a specific version of a package, use the -- version parameter followed by the version number, such as 3.11.0 for Python. Before installing software, you might want to search for available packages. Use choco space search followed by the package name to find packages in the Chocolatey repository. To see all packages currently installed on your system, use choco space list space -- local - only. For detailed information about a specific package, including its description and dependencies, use choco space info followed by the package name. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for security and functionality. To update a specific package like Google Chrome, use choco space upgrade space Google Chrome space -y if you want to update all installed packages at once. Simply use choco space upgrade space all space -y to check which packages have newer versions available without actually updating them. Use the choco space outdated command. When you no longer need a package, you can easily remove it. To uninstall a single package like Google Chrome, use choco space uninstall space Google Chrome space -y. You can also uninstall multiple packages in one command by listing them separated by spaces. If a package refuses to uninstall normally, you can use the -- force flag to force the removal, though this should be used cautiously. One of the most powerful features of Chocolatey is its integration with PowerShell for automation. Here's a practical example of a deployment script. First, create an array containing the names of packages you want to install, such as Git, vscode, notives, and Docker Desktop. Then use a for-each loop to iterate through each package. Inside the loop, display a message indicating which package is being installed, then execute the choco install command for that package. After all packages are installed, display a success message. This approach allows you to automate the setup of entire development environments. You've now learned the fundamentals of Chocolatey integration with PowerShell. You can install, search, update, and uninstall software packages using simple commands. You've also seen how to automate software management with PowerShell scripts. These skills will help you streamline software deployment, maintain consistency across multiple systems, and save significant time in managing your Windows environment. Practice these commands and start building your own automation scripts to become proficient with Chocolatey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.